Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about pen assignment. So let me give you one example. For example, the color of these wall are yellow, okay, yellow color. And if you want to just print these wall as in green color without changing the color from here in layer panel, you can use pen assignment, okay. Let's see how to use pen assignment. For example, I will just activate that one. I will hit Ctrl plus P, okay, to go into plot style. So here I will just do some of the settings, okay, drawing to PDF, and then from here I will choose the paper size, and after that I will just go into the plot. I will just select window, okay, and I want to print this one, for example, okay. Now I will just choose this center, okay, center option. Now here instead of fit to paper, this is the random scale, so I need custom, okay. I need a 1:20, okay. Then what I will do, I will go here. You can see plot style table pen assignment, okay. From here you can choose that one. Right now let's see what is this monochrome tab, okay. I will click here, okay, on this button, and you can see here in plot style the red color, okay, and then the property what we will print out, okay. Red color, if I will choose here red color in monochrome tab, it will be black. So yellow color, this is also black, okay. Green color, this is also black. So every color in monochrome tab is black, okay. That's why you can see here the color here are different. When I am going to print, preview here is black, okay. You can see here the color, original color here in drawing is different, and the preview here is black, and when we will print out, the black color will be there, okay. So you can choose any of the color from here in pen assignment. For example, instead of yellow color, that is for wall, okay, that we are using here, okay, that is yellow color, okay. I need what? I need here green color, for example, okay. From here you can make some of the changes like line and style, for example, line joint style, okay, fill style, okay. So from here you can change any of the things, that is properties, okay. But right now in yellow color what I need is green color, okay. For example, wall color is yellow color, okay, but in printout I need green color. So I will just save and close this one, and I will go into the preview. Now you can see instead of black, this is right now green color, okay. So any of the output you need, you can change from the here in pen assignment, okay. Instead of red, if you need something like green, you can choose this one. If you need cyan, you can choose this one. If you need blue, you can choose this one. Or if you need some other color, you will select here, you will go into the index color, you can choose from here as well, okay. Instead of choosing from layer panel, okay, you will just choose from layer panel. This option is very good. Any of the output you need, you can change from here and you can print that one, okay. This is what all about pen assignment is. Now for example, if you want to create new style, you can create that one as well. I will click on this drop down arrow. Here you can see new option. I will click on this one, select this one, okay, and then I will click next, okay. Here you can just give the name of the style. For example, I need style 3, okay. Then I will press next, and from here you can edit the style. I will click on here, okay. From here you can see plot style and the properties as color number 1. For example, this is color number 1, red, and it is just printing as use the object color, okay. As the object color will be, it will be print like this, okay. So in color number 2, as it is 3, 4. For example, instead of red color, I need what? I need yellow color, and instead of yellow color, I need in print red color, okay. So I will select like this, okay. You can choose any of the color from here, and you can just select color from here in index color as well, okay. So after making all of this change, I will just save this change and I will press on finish. Now you can see here new style is going to add here, okay, style number 3, okay. I will press yes. Now I will go into the preview. Now you can see the preview is going to change. Instead of yellow color of this wall, now here is red color, okay. You can see here this is the red color. So this is how you can make the change in pen assignment, or you can create new one. I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.